What up, YouTube? It's your boy Linny J, man, and today we are going to the Festival of Speed.
You and I, we're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night?
Alright, just touched down, man. I'm a little hyped. I got the perfect parking spot, man. It's hard to get some parking down here in the rich folk side of things, if I must say. But yeah, Festival of Speed. I don't know if y'all ever heard of this or not. Definitely not on my channel. This is what it sounds like. It's just a car show, a gathering of a lot of fast shit. A lot of fast cars. Just a lot of exotics. Got some classic cars. Yeah, usually a lot of dealers. It's out on the water, so they have speed boats and plethora of other things, but it's really just kind of a, I don't know, whose dick is bigger show for the rich folks. But if you like exotic cars and McLarens and Bugattis and Ferraris and Lamborghinis and all that kind of jazz, this is the spot to be. So, a little different content for the channel, man, but I love all kind of cars, so that's what I'm bringing y'all.
We can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. Cause when our bodies meet, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. We are sweet on our secrets.
See your supercars and muscle cars. What do we have? Good old box Chevy. Police intercepted us. Hey, can't go wrong with a box. Who you are and what kind of cars you like. Every one of us growing up had a poster of either one of these cars on it. Everybody did. Crazy to see them in person still looking as good. Aggravating, Diablo, and the Kunta. Everybody had that as a poster. Either one of those. Festival of Speed in a nutshell. Wasn't too impressed this year. Still some nice stuff. You know, different kind of event, but years in the past, it's been way better than that. But it is what it is, man. A little short vlog this time, man. That's it, man. I'm out of here. See y'all next time.